Go.
Okay, I'm gonna back up Joe's car now for the first time in my life. Let's find the brake.
Why? Why did he let you back it up?
Because it's my birthday. Okay, it's not here.
Did you start the car? You didn't start the car yet! Nervous.
Okay. Can we please make this a little more exciting?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Keep going, you're fine. Keep going. Not that far. You have to go on the street.
Okay.
Your mom's gonna. Oh, she looks bad. Alice, what are you doing?
I'm trying to
Go forward, she already went.
Okay. I'm used to my mom like freaking spinning the whole way.
What are you doing?
I'm going, dude.
Anger, confrontation.
Can you give me a bit making a heart at Joe? Joe, I'm making a heart at you.
Oh, this is getting.
It's gonna work.